Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. In this video, we are going to see one more awesome feature of Playwright. So last video we have seen about UI inspector, right? So it's like already you have written the script and you are debugging it. But nowadays, there are like leave the Playwright, like there are a tool called codeless automation. So these kind of tool, like everything, like whatever they are mentioning codeless automation, there are a lot of marketing campaign going on to reach people. But after everything, people are just trying it and coming back to the code automation only. So even the code automation tool also support record and playback and record and reference the code, something like that. So see, it's like, see, some people not comfortable with the code, so for them it's good, also they like it. I'm not saying anything, but it's this code level automation. Also there is a record and playback actually. So we can just record and refer, and we can use it, so that the whole automation framework will be in our control. If we write, if someone else is right, we are just using the component, then we have to depend always on the tool or something else. So that's what my view, but it depends on the person actually. So Playwright also has a record and playback option. So there is a CLI, actually command line tool CLI, the same command. So let's try to record some website, right? So let's I'll just run the command npx playwright code gen, any website, just tell me. Okay, flipkart.com. Okay, so what it will happen is, like, it will open a browser, it will open the browser, that website browser, also the recorder inspector, the UI inspector we have saw, right? So whatever we try to enter, for example, enter mobile number, right? So 909090, password 123456, just for trying purpose. And just, I think, see, don't forget to look into the script, what's happening here. So imported and just created a test, and go to Flipkart, go page dot locator. What is the locator? So locator you need to optimize, click on that, and then page the same locator, fill the number, and then click on password and fill the password, then click on login button. I think click on login button, also one more created, and just verify as text. So when you just move only, it will just verify the page dot locator, just clicking on it, right? Okay, so just keep it. So I'm trying to click, I'm just navigating and creating a lot of code here. Okay, so that's it. Now the code is done. Maybe do we have a playwright? Do we see? I'm just first time I'm seeing this is a playwright test, right? I just want to take it for Java. So Java also we can take the code, and we want for Python. So Python also we can take the code. So everything, PyTest and PySync, everything is there. It's I feel it is exactly similar to Selenium IDE, which it was there for long. My first tool which I tried is Selenium IDE only. Okay, so I think look like that. So we got it, and it's clear. It will clear everything, and you can just copy and just go to the code. Maybe code here. Maybe I'll create one more file called Flipkart spec.js. Everything done. Okay, so let me see, there is one more option. We can see if we try to run edited or whatever it is, right? So let's see what happened. So one is skipped, which is skipped. Import test, cannot use import statement outside module. Okay, so Flipkart we need to use const. And equal. So this is a different version of required. We need to use require. So running two tests and two workers. Actually, it is just launched GeoMart as well as one more browser. It got closed actually. GeoMart is there is some issue while running the test. It's running for forever. So I think I can just close it. One pass, one fail. Okay, this is kind of a small and awesome feature. People who are all new to start the, for example, you install it directly, start the inspector and record the script and run it. So that will help. For example, sometime you may need to do some POC just to showcase, so you can record and after that you can optimize this locator. No issue. It just works, right? It's working fine. It's just going to a Flipkart. It is working fine. Maybe Flipkart one, if you haven't seen, I'll just run it again. There are two browser open. One is this Flipkart and another one. Okay, another one is here. See, Flipkart one also, it's running. You just try to click here, everywhere, right? Okay, so after that it will be pass. So likewise, we can optimize the locator and make it small. This is record and playback script. So I think this also looks cool future, guys. Okay, fine. I think we can close this video here. Maybe in the next video we can see about different browser capabilities stuffs. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If you really like my videos, please subscribe and subscribe the channel. Thanks.